Handy yellow ma. You see the t-shirt it's yellow, the hair it's yellow, even everything is yellow. So I go by the name Handy Yellow. I stay around western side.
Okay, as an artist stage name is Handy Yellow ma.
My real name's I go by the name Kuliso, and my side name is Modao.
What happened in 2018?
SABC2 came with a talent show named Showville, and they were hosting a talent show there, and we were competing with a lot of people, and I managed to win there, and it wasn't easy just because there is a lot of talent out here, and I was competing with a lot of people.
And now you release this other new song and a video as well, titled Yellow Yellow.
Yes.
Can you tell us a bit about it?
Yellow Yellow is my latest single. It's actually talking about how I live and the influence that I have for the young upcoming artists. So I'm trying to show them that in this game we can dream and things can be possible. So the story behind the track Yellow Yellow, I'm trying to show people that we can shine. We can shine even though people think that we can't. My expression and how I feel when I do this music thing.
Okay, so I can see even yourself, you are yellow,
yeah.
Everything about it is yellow, even the bed is yellow. Okay,
Yeah.
no, well, thank you, Yellow.
Yeah.
It was good hosting you in our show here.
Yes.
We will definitely meet you next time again.